Good evening, everybody. It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm coming to you live from the BRP Dealer Show Club. And if you've not heard by now, they have launched 2 motorcycles. You want to see them? We're going to start out with the Can-Am Pulse. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here. We're going to come out to the front. Obviously on road and all electric. You got that Rotex e-Power. Taking it back to 1973. Huge, massive display. All kinds of controls there on there. Very good looking bike for sure. There are a lot we don't know about it yet.
How much is it? No, that's good. That's the problem. No, it's the other thing too. It's like it's not.
What do you think? Can-Am Pulse.